Hello, welcome to Make It Yourself Fall Craft 2. Today we are going to be making these cute little fabric pumpkins. I'm going to go ahead and show you what is in your kit. Here's what's included in your kit. 2 pieces of fabric, patterns vary, 2 sticks, 2 rolls of toilet paper, some coiled wire, an assortment of leaves, and some fiber fill. To start, you're going to want to choose which fabric you're going to start with. I'm going to use this one. If you want to, you can iron your fabric first. I did not. I find that you don't need to unless you want to. When you lay out your fabric with the good side face down, and then grab half of your fiber fill. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but you need less than you think. So take it and put it in the center. Grab one of your toilet paper rolls, put that in the center. Then we're going to start at a corner, fold it up, tuck it in the center. Keep going around and doing that. Adjusting your fiber fill as needed to keep your pumpkin nice and round. We have a nice little pumpkin shape here. Going to take your stick and one of your wires. You can also use a marker or something like that if that's easier. Grab it loosely around your stick. Leave a good tail hanging off of it. A nice little spiral there. Select 2 of your leaves and your stick and your spiral. You're going to poke them down in that hole. Use your stick to push them in where you want them. And then adjust. There it is. It's that easy. So here is my perfect little pandemic pumpkin. Go ahead and make your other one the same way. And then take pictures and share them with us at info@trpld.org or on our Facebook or Instagram. Thanks so much. Happy crafting.